Alright, my Zino doesn't seem to connect like it's supposed to. We'll go ahead and try it out. Alright, now we'll turn on the controller. Alright. Alright, there it is. So nothing shows up. If I unplug, plug in, it still won't show up. If I let it sit there for a while, it won't show up. So what I end up having to do is close the app and then open it back up. There we go. Alright, so let's try something else. We'll turn this off. Turn this off. Okay, so I will close the app. So the app's closed. So now I'll turn it on. I'll unplug this. Turn it on. Held it too long. Here we go. Now I'll turn on the controller like you normally would. But instead of having it try to find the Hubsan app or use it by default, I'll go ahead and open up the app, have it open and ready, then plug in. And then hit enter device, enter main interface. There you go. So it seems that's what I have to do. Maybe you're having the same connection issues. So for me, I have to have this unplugged, turn on the Zino, turn on the controller, run the app. After that's all synced up, run the app, and then plug in, and then go into the interface, and that seemed to get me in. Alright, so if you're having connection issues, maybe this will, or having problems connecting, maybe this will help you out. If so, leave a comment down below, and please like and subscribe. Alright, thanks a lot.